The 360 action camera market is set for a major transformation as DJI, a leading player in drones and camera technology, prepares to launch its OSMO 360. This device marks DJI's first entry into the 360 camera arena, which has been historically dominated by GoPro and Insta360. Regulatory filings with the Federal Communications Commission, along with leaked designs and industry insider predictions, suggest that DJI's release could happen before the end of the year. The timing is advantageous, especially as GoPro grapples with production delays for its anticipated Max 2, the successor to its Max 360 camera. DJI's potential entry into this niche yet competitive field signals a new phase in the evolution of 360 cameras, creating opportunities for innovation and setting the stage for intense rivalry. DJI has a long history of developing high-quality cameras and has repeatedly demonstrated its ability to compete with leading brands in the action camera market. With a new regulatory filing submitted to the FCC, DJI has officially provided its first concrete evidence of an impending 360-degree camera product. Typically, FCC filings appear only weeks before a product's official launch, which suggests that DJI could unveil the OSMO 360 before the holiday season. The timing is particularly favorable, as GoPro's delays with the Max 2 have created a vacuum in the 360 camera market, offering DJI a golden opportunity to attract consumers looking for the latest technology. This move also aligns with DJI's strategic approach to entering new market segments where GoPro has established itself as a leading player. DJI has previously challenged GoPro with its OSMO action camera line, which provided comparable performance at a competitive price point. By moving into the 360 camera space, DJI appears to be aiming to directly compete with GoPro's Max product line, potentially shifting GoPro's market position and introducing new alternatives for consumers. Initial leaked schematics, courtesy of prominent industry insider at Hakasushi, reveal some of DJI's design choices for the OSMO 360, indicating that it has taken a traditional action camera approach with a compact and user-friendly design. Unlike Insta360's elongated X4, the OSMO 360 seems to favor a more conventional GoPro-like form factor that could be familiar and appealing to users accustomed to typical action camera designs. This classic shape suggests that DJI is not just entering the market, but aiming to make a bold statement by targeting GoPro's core user base with a device that feels familiar in design, yet innovative in functionality. The OSMO 360 is expected to feature several design elements tailored for high-quality 360 capture, similar to other 360 cameras. The OSMO 360 will likely feature dual lenses to capture seamless panoramic footage. The landscape screen allows users to frame their shots easily and review footage on the go, making it user-friendly and ideal for adventure filmmakers. With controls placed on the side and an accessible battery compartment, the OSMO 360 prioritizes ease of use. This design helps users change settings and swap batteries efficiently in any environment, ensuring uninterrupted recording. Audio quality is crucial in action cameras, and DJI has likely invested in optimizing microphone placement to capture clear audio, even in outdoor settings where wind and ambient noise can be a challenge. These choices reflect DJI's clear understanding of the needs and preferences of action camera users. By focusing on a familiar design with an emphasis on usability, DJI is positioning the OSMO 360 as a viable alternative for users who may have previously been loyal to GoPro. GoPro's influence in the action camera market is well established, yet the company has struggled to maintain its footing in the rapidly evolving 360-degree camera space. Since the release of the GoPro Max in October 2019, GoPro has confirmed that the Max 2 is in development, yet it has not provided a clear release timeline. This prolonged delay has opened the door for competitors to capitalize on consumer demand for advanced 360-degree cameras. While GoPro continues to focus on refining its Max 2, its absence from the market has left room for DJI and Insta360 to capture more market share. If DJI is able to successfully launch the OSMO 360 before GoPro's Max 2 reaches the market, this strategic timing could lead to significant gains for DJI consumers. who may have been waiting for the Max 2 might instead consider switching to DJI's offering, especially if it delivers a comparable or even superior experience. The delay has given DJI a unique opportunity to establish itself in a space that GoPro has previously dominated, potentially altering GoPro's market position in the long term. In GoPro's absence, Insta360 has grown into a formidable leader in the 360-degree camera market, thanks to its consistent product releases, innovative software capabilities, and strong community support. Insta360's portfolio includes a range of products designed to meet the diverse needs of creators, from casual users to professionals. With robust software for post-production, reframing, and special effects, Insta360 has built an ecosystem that extends beyond the hardware. This focus on software-driven capabilities has made Insta360 cameras popular among creators who prioritize flexibility and advanced editing options. In addition, Insta360 has created a dedicated user base and online community that actively supports its brand, with tools that allow users to enhance their content and connect with others. Insta360 has cultivated a loyal following that supports its dominance in the market. If DJI intends to challenge Insta360 directly, it will need to provide similarly compelling software solutions to appeal to this user demographic. The entry of DJI into the 360 action camera market promises significant benefits for consumers. Increased competition typically leads to accelerated innovation, as brands work to outdo each other in terms of features, quality, and pricing. For consumers, DJI's presence could lead to more options in the 360 camera market, each offering unique features tailored to different user needs. The added competition could prompt a reduction in prices, making high-quality 360-degree cameras more accessible to a wider audience. With DJI pushing boundaries, both GoPro and Insta360 may feel pressured to introduce new features and upgrades more frequently, benefiting consumers with faster access to cutting-edge technology. The launch of the OSMO 360 is likely to have far-reaching effects on the action camera industry. Key implications include, if DJI's OSMO 360 proves successful, GoPro may face increased pressure to accelerate its Max 2 release or risk losing market share. Insta360 might respond to DJI's entry by expanding its product line or offering new features, maintaining its competitive edge and reinforcing its software ecosystem. With DJI and Insta360 driving software innovation, there could be opportunities for third-party developers to create software and accessories tailored to this growing market. The entry of a reputable brand like DJI could help further popularize 360-degree cameras, encouraging more consumers to explore immersive content creation.